Hello and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to join the Instagram beta program directly from your Android phone. By joining the beta, you'll get early access to new features before they're released to the public. This process is quick, easy, and completely free to try. First, open the Instagram app on your Android device. Then, tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Then, scroll all the way down until you see the option labeled Early Access to Features. After that, tap on it to open the beta access settings. Finally, toggle the switch to turn on Join the Beta Program. You may need to restart the app or wait for a short time before beta features appear. And that's it. You're now part of the Instagram beta program. Stay tuned to discover new tools and improvements before anyone else. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below.